Jeff from Meat Bones Barbecue. We got our master blend barbecue sauce. We're gonna wrap some ribs real quick. All right, put a little layer down like this. Brown sugar. Get a few pats of butter. Could be salted, unsalted, whatever you want. All right, we'll lay these down like this. All right, now I grab a rack of ribs. All right, we got some loin back, Smithfield. We lay that down like that. Another layer of meat bones, master blend. Put it right on there. We get us some more brown sugar. That's it. We wrap it up and put it back in the smoker. Thank you very much.